I'll teach you everything you need to know about GUI Advanced in 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and just insert an image button. You could do an image label if you want text, but I just want to show you how to make something happen when the button is clicked. We've been through a lot of events already, but what's one more? You can actually put a local script inside of this element and the local script will still work because remember I told you all of this is replicated into the player also. So to access the image button, that is the parent of the local script, equal button equals script top parent, and that's accessing the button. And there are many events like mouse button 1 down, which is when you left click, mouse button 2 when you right click, when the mouse has gone up, when someone's touched it, when someone has tapped it on like a tablet or something, or just activated is for when the button's activated by any means. I always thought MouseEnter was cool, so let's go ahead and use that one. It's triggered when the mouse enters the frame. You see when it changes up to the different hover cursor. We don't need any of the arguments for what we're doing. And if we want something to happen in the server, you know we need that remote event. So I already had mine in replicated storage. And let's go ahead and fire the server. And on the server script, we also need to get the remote event. And I don't know, what do you guys want to see happen when the server is fired? I don't know. Maybe we can just change the base plate's anchor to false. I like chaos. I'll go ahead and play the game. And when the player enters, oh no, the base plate is falling, but it's hard to tell, but it's gone now. And I'm gone now. Oh, and if you were to hover it again, it wouldn't work because base plate deletes itself after it's fallen too far. So to fix that, you can check to see if base plate is still a child of workspace by doing if workspace find first child and then a string of the name base plate. So if base plate is a child of workspace, then we can change the properties of workspace.baseplate. You can see we can hover over it the first time, and now that it's deleted, we can still hover over it and not get any errors. Alright, something else we can do, since we get the player, and then we can get the character, local character, player, player.character, and from here we can access the humanoid, which has a lot of properties, including walk speed. We can set that equal to whatever the walk speed is, plus 10. And now every time you hover the mouse over the image, the walk speed will increase by 10. Oh, walk speed is spelled like this with a capital S for speed. So I hover over it, you see me walking, I'm a little faster, faster. Go fast, go faster. Down.